Crank this shit up a little. I can't hardly hear it. If you don't mind. Of course. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to J-Bar Welding & Fabrications YouTube page and TikTok. I'm glad all y'all are enjoying the videos. Today is Thursday. We are in Shreveport, Louisiana. And I'm on the leak crew today, which is one of my favorite crews to be on. This is where you get most of your action at. We actually went ahead and dug up the main and found the leak. There's a pinhole in the side of the main, which means we're gonna have to put a full circle clamp, control the leak, slap a split sleeve over it, weld it up, and make sure there is no leaks after. Pretty simple process, easy money, nothing hard about it. Of course, you have to have on your fire suit. There's gas in the hole, so you got to take all precautions. But like I say, nothing hard about it. I love being on leak crews. It's where we as welders get most of our action. So no complaining here. But I just wanted to get on here and say thank you to all you guys that follow and watch and are actually interested. You know, if you have any questions or anything about the things that we do, the processes, welding, I mean anything, just comment, let me know, and I will do my best to get back with you guys as fast as possible. I really enjoy making these videos, so I really hope y'all keep watching them and stay entertained. And let me know what y'all think, man. Don't forget to like, share, and follow, and appreciate everything y'all do. I'm gonna get y'all some footage. Here we go.
The operator now begins to expose the main in a careful manner while being spotted by the other hands by digging a bell hole with an excavator.
The operator has now exposed the gas main and duct room to weld and work in.
This is the fitting we call split sleeves or pumpkins that weld over the leak on the gas main.
When spotting a leak, soapy water is sprayed on the surface where there are indications of a leak being present. And if there is a leak present, this is the result to pinpoint it. Bubbles. Now, we slap on the split sleeve or pumpkin and stitch her up. Completely welding a pumpkin can be a long process at times due to filling it incompletely, so let's speed it up. Didn't get a picture of the one I done in this video, but this one is a good reference, but much larger.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and sub for more content and how-to videos, and comment what you would like next.
On to the next one, old son.